Make a great choice today with the 2023 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.